Hey YouTube, how we doing today? That's right, it is time to take a look at something else from beardgains.com. Today we're going to look at their Valhalla Beard Oil. So stay tuned after we roll the intro. I'm going to tell you what I think of this one. Alright YouTube, thank you so much for staying past that opening. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time guys who have yet to do it, take a look down below. There's going to be a little channel watermark popping up. Hover over that thing. It should bring you right to subscribe. Knock it out the way early. That way you're going to feel better about yourself for the rest of the day. I know I will if you do it, so help a poor YouTuber out. Okay, like I said, we're going to take a look at beardgains.com Valhalla Beard Oil. Yeah, we'll get to that in a moment. Alright. Now, we've brought one from Beard Gains before. And if you look up top, you're going to see a card popping up. That is going to bring you to every single beard care product we have ever brought to the channel before. You'll find it right there if you want to go take a look at it. Now, originally, I found these guys on Facebook.com. You guys have been through that thing before. You know, you're talking to somebody about like a toaster, and all of a sudden you log into your Facebook account and there's 50 billion ads for toasters. Well, I was talking with my better half about beard oil, and one of the first ads I saw was beardgains.com. And I'll be honest, this one had me intrigued. Okay, you're calling it Valhalla, you're going to make a Viking beard oil. Pull the trigger, let's get it going. Now, they are made in the United States out of North Carolina. Now, something that I found very, very funny. They live by a motto that basically a well-maintained beard is fantastic for your outward appearance as well as your inner health. Now, I said it in that previous video. I was like, so when I didn't put in beard oil and comb it every day and put product and everything else, I was getting sick because my beard was gnarly? Now, one of the things I love, they use this as another little slogan, made for a man but loved by women. Alright, I get it. We wear beard oil that has sense to help make ourselves smell better. I get it. I get it. Alright. Now, they have 3 different sizes bottles you can buy. Basically, they call it their trial bottle, which is half an ounce for $9.09. A 1 ounce bottle for $15.39, which is this guy right here. And I'll be honest, it's not an amber. It's kind of like a blacked out bottle, I think, with like a little sticker around it or something like that. Because you can see where it turns white on top. For $15.39, and they give you a free leather case. In my opinion, the case isn't worth it. If in that card it's the presidential, I show the leather case in there. Yeah. And a 3 ounce, as they call it, a refill bottle for $31.49. Now, I usually pay between 10 and 20 bucks for a 1 ounce bottle of beard oil. So that 3 ounce, if you really like this stuff, is a damn good deal because basically you're paying about 10 bucks an ounce. Now, you can also find this guy on Amazon where I bought it, hence the frickin' label, which I tried to take off, but yeah, no luck. One moment, please.
This is a piece of paper.
It's okay. For $16.99. Okay. It's been reviewed 37 times over there, and it has a 4.3 out of 5 star rating. Now, here's the part that made me go, all right, I'm going to tell you exactly what I smell, and then I'm going to tell you what they say their scent profile is, and all the other good stuff.
Can I bring this here?
When I smell it just like that, it smells a cross between honey and oranges. That doesn't equate to Valhalla with me. I know it should be in the next one, okay? So, they say their scent profile is a melting pot of bold and woodsy with orange flakes and a honey backing. Excuse me, orange breaks. Orange breaks, not flakes. Sharpie on yellow paper. Yeah. So, alright, I smell the orange and I smell the honey. But the part that I didn't smell the woodsy at all. Now, its strength is about a low to medium.
Did you wish that's the last video?
Hang on. When it goes on, it's right there, but it's like, hi, I'm here, and quickly. Maybe it lasts for an hour at most, maybe. Now, its ingredients, and this is what kills me, all right? They give you the 3 carrier oils, which are grapeseed oil, argan oil, and jojoba oil, or jojoba oil, however you want to pronounce it. And they say a complicated blend of essential oils, and they're we have 12 essential oils in there. We use the most expensive and most extensively researched and most everything. Okay, big effing deal. I saw a company a little bit ago, it was like Hemingway Accoutrements. They're selling a 1 ounce bottle for $40. Instantly I went, yeah, pass. Because of the price. But they say their essential oils list will forever remain a secret. Now look, I get it. Because you don't want to write down that you're using this oil, this oil, this oil, this oil, this oil. So everyone else is going to run out and try to copy your stuff. But I'm kind of curious what I'm putting into my beard and onto my body. And I want to make sure it's okay for me instead of, you know, like the little test drop, wait an hour, see if anything happens. Another little test drop, see what happens. That's just me. Now, what kills me is they say it took 2 years of them researching this oil and to be, you know, completely happy with how it mixed and how it felt and everything else. And on March 17th, and they didn't say exactly what year, but March 17th, so I'm kind of thinking it was 2019. No. 2018, maybe. They capped it off with exactly 2 drops of pure vanilla. So if you had it perfect, why did you add stuff to it extra? That's just me. Okay? I've used it for a little bit now, and I gotta tell you, I myself am not overly impressed with it. Okay, baby. I'm not very overly impressed with it. I expected a little bit more for a scent profile. I just pulled the trigger because of Valhalla, and that's on me. I'll be honest, I really love the artwork that they have on their bottle. I think that's what really, right now, separates them from anything else that I've brought to my channel. Even that one, like with the presidential, which I like a little bit more than this one, they had great artwork on there. Gotta give them lots of credit. I mean, the only other one that I've seen that has a lot of intricate artwork is like Grave Before Shave. And they have their own in-house artists. So, I don't know. But, for those of you who are unsure about beard oil, okay, basically it's a vitamin supplement for your skin. Now, the oil is more for the skin underneath your beard than it is for the beard itself. It's really simple to use. I mean, really, truly is. Get whatever amount you need in your little eyedropper, and it's probably going to bleed out, but that's got a really, really golden tinge to it. All right? That's fine. It's just how the carrier oils and essential oils mix up. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Put it in your hands, rub your hands together, and work it seriously into your beard, down to your skin. Especially down here in the little dead zone. In essence, it's helping your beard grow. All right? Your body can only produce so much oil to keep your hair moving, keep it healthy, keep it natural, keep it, you know, full, keep it just nice. This helps that move it along. Real simple. But there we go, guys. I want to know your questions, thoughts, love, anger, hatred, whatever. Leave them down below in the comments section. I know this one's a little bit weird because, well, the cuteness factor is bouncing off the wall and I want to get this video shot. And she just ran upstairs, so I'm kind of curious what she's doing because she's kind of quiet. Any of you who are parents know a quiet child is a deadly child, unless they're asleep. But with that fun stuff being said, man, if you're a first-time viewer of my channel, I want to thank you so much for taking a moment of your day to watch this little bit of insanity about some beard oil. I know, we do things a little bit strange, you know, different here and a little bit stranger, but we tend to inject a lot more fun into our videos. Makes it a little bit more enjoyable, I believe. Now, for you first-timers who didn't do it at the beginning, and you long-timers who didn't do it at the beginning of the video, here is your second chance at redemption. Down below, there's going to be a big channel symbol popping up. Click on that thing, it's going to bring you right to subscribe. Now, after you've nailed subscribe, please go ahead and beat up its little brother, the bell icon. Why? I just heard the toilet flush. Nice. She's in the process of potty training, and she's very stubborn on her own, so she had to go. I'm glad she went up there. But beat up its little brother, the bell icon. Why? Well, that's going to notify you every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. And sorry for even talking about that. If you guys watch my step parent series, you know I've been changing butt for a long time, and I'm hoping I'm at the end of it. I even told my better half, when the grandkids are over, if I ever live long enough to see them, your turn. I'm done. No more butts. Yeah. But there we are. All right. My weird look and weird tangents with Beard Gains Valhalla Beard Oil. Man, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a great one today.